My
What's wrong?
hiccup is kind of hic and that is it.
What happened, Brie?
My hiccup is kind is a
What's your hiccup, Ajay?
my hiccup is a like that.
Oh,
Okay,
brother.
and how do you get hiccups? Do you know?
I get hiccup
Yeah.
and I eat ice cream and donuts and I eat and my body and I make hiccups.
Oh.
Okay, and you had donuts today? And now you're tired?
But
Because the hiccups is giving you...
what making hiccup?
Who made a poop just now? Oh, bless, you gotta
sneeze.
You got a sneeze, a hiccup, and a poop. that was too much. Go, do it.